We are living in rapidly changing times where from one day to another, we have no idea what we may have to conform to when we walk into work the next day. The entire world is working differently than we ever have in the history of manufacturing. Over the next few months, what you see in this image is not able to happen. We are in a time when we have to keep our plants running at peak efficiency, be able to help our staff through all challenges that come up each day, while we are asked to keep minimal support staff in our plants around the world. Additionally, as we work through our global locations, we need to make sure each facility is operating with the same quality while we are asked to ramp up our production. It is more important now than ever that we're able to manage our factories and have access to data immediately wherever we are. This is a look at how Dynisco is helping our customers work through these difficult situations using our Cloud Connect platform. Key plant personnel have access to the data of their line, plant, and global locations immediately on their tablet, phone, or computer. Additionally, should they need help, they can call their plant managers or plant engineers that all have access to the same data, enabling the operator to make necessary adjustments to their processes while keeping their entire team informed and part of the decision. Our job is to provide a window into the process, and Dynisco Cloud Connect enables our customers to do just that. We help our customers monitor pressure, temperature, and rheological measurements in production as well as their labs worldwide. This keeps key personnel informed about their global processes when they can't be on site. As you see in this graphic, we have set up systems that allow our customers to self-service their needs through Dynisco.com. Customers can find important information in our Knowledge Center that is full of technical documents, videos, and application blogs. For those customers that want more, they can monitor their production lines in Polymer Labs by logging into the IoT Cloud Connect portal hosted by Microsoft Azure. We have also made managing the interaction with Dynisco easy through our e-commerce site, which allows your team to order or reorder products with a simple click. You can also check delivery status and manage your account with Dynisco at any time of the day. With all these services, Dynisco is there for you 24/7 when you can't be.